How to be a social media manager absolutely free. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Everyday nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos na pwede ninyong sundan. If you wanna start working from home, lagi nyo nakikita virtual assistant, work from home, freelancer, 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits, lahat na. For today, we're going to talk about paano nga ba simulan ng inyong journey sa pagiging social media manager. What are the things that you need to know about social media management? Why is social media management? Teka, kakain mo na yung mga aso ko kaya nag-iingay. Hold on tight. Ayan, kumakain na sila. Pwede na natin ituloy yung pag-film. Okay, so what is a social media manager? From the word itself, kayo ay magmamanage ng mga social media accounts ng mga businesses. Now, there are different goals when it comes to social media management, but you have to remember this. Kasi I have seen a lot of unique value proposition na ang promises nila ay more sales. You have to remember that social media, just like any other lead generation effort, fills the sales pipeline. Hindi tayo matik nagbebenta kapag ka ikaw ay social media manager or social media marketer. Ang goal mo is dumami yung interesado dun sa products or service na ino-offer ng business na hinahandle mo ang social media accounts. At kapag ka nakuha mo na yung interest nila, that's the time that you bring them to either the landing page or kung ano man yung ginagamit nila to convert prospects and leads to customers. There are different strategies when it comes to social media management. For me, since I specialize sa e-com at saka service-based na businesses, ang pinakang importante sa akin ay analytics, engagement, hashtag, asset creation, at saka sales. Pag-usapan natin isa-isa. For analytics, very straightforward. What you cannot measure, you cannot manage. You should be able to track insights. Kung ano nga ba yung naging result from point A to point B nung iyong customers' social media accounts. How are you going to bring them from wherever they are at right now down to kung ano yung goal nila. There are different strategies available. I don't wanna overcomplicate things because overthinking goes to feeling overwhelmed. Hashtag naman. Sa hashtag, ang mga iba't ibang platform, may iba-iba silang requirements. Kailangan updated ka sa latest chismis when it comes to hashtag gaming. Malaki yung impact ng hashtags when it comes to ranking your contents on different platforms kasi nakakatulong siya sa SEO. Saka ako na lang ulit tuturo. Siguro sa isang araw or bukas kung kaya ko ha. I-comment nyo dito SEO kung gusto nyo matuto ng SEO, kung paano ako dumiskarte sa SEO. But for today, sa hashtag kasi, importante siya when it comes to ranking your contents. So, I feel like even if mag-publish yung iba na, uy, wala na, laglag na yung hashtag gaming na yan, iba na ngayon yung ano, I'd still use hashtag. Kasi, lalong-lalo na sa mga customers ko, when it comes to targeting talagang sa hashtag kumakapit. There are so many platforms, websites na pwede mong gamitin for your hashtag research. Pero ako, mas ano pa rin, nasanay kasi ako dun sa parang sinaunang panahon. Dun ako sa mismong platform natin yan. For example, sa Twitter. So dito sa Twitter, if you go to the Explore tab, eto siya, pack. And then you go to yan, makikita mo na, mga trending dyan. But, this one is specifically for the Philippines. So, pagka chinek mo, ayan, lalabas na nila lahat ng trending. Let's say, for example, you're interested in searching for By the way, kung di pa kayo nakafollow sa TikTok ko, sa TikTok, yan yung natatago kong Twitter. Ang daming lumalabas na chismis dyan na hindi ko pwedeng ilabas dito sa TikTok. Now, moving on, dito naman sa Instagram, if you search for etong explore button na to, pag clinic nyo yan, nasa PC kasi ako mas madali siya pagka nasa phone. Pero lalabas din dito lahat ng trending dito sa Philippines. Ang ginagawa ko dito to search for a hashtag na trending ngayon is magsa-search ako ng... So, ang ginagawa ko naman dito sa Instagram, pupunta ako dito, i-click ko to. Tapos, mag-start lang ako, like for example, ang target ko is real estate. Makikita ko na dito lahat ng hashtags na pwede kong gamitin. But, let's take it one step further. Tapos, makikita ko na dito yung mga nasa top. So, pagdating dyan, i-click ko yan, tapos titingnan ko lahat ng ginamit nila na hashtag dito. Since right now, sa Instagram, ang bagsakan talaga dun is right around 3 to 5 hashtags. I'll just pick about 5. By the way, kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow, follow nyo na ako. Another app that you can use is hashtagify.me. Tapos, makikita nyo na dyan, lalabas yan. So, pwede kayo mag-search, but I wanna point you towards right around the bottom. Alam ko na dito. Ayan. Hashtag marketing lessons. Free yan, mga sis. Tsaka meron silang guides, meron silang tutorials. So, take advantage of that. Engagement naman is all about being able to connect with your audience at the right time. Yung mga may sales experience, alam nyo na to. Sales is all about perfect timing plus right motivation. At in-apply ko talaga siya kahit sa personal kong buhay at saka sa buong freelancing career ko. Ang lagi kong iniisip, when it comes to landing a client, it's all about perfect timing plus right motivation. Ang nakalaan sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo sa tamang panahon. Anyway, going back sa SMM, so there are a lot of places where you can learn social media management for free. Let me show you some of the websites. At the top of my list, go to learndigital.withgoogle.com/digital garage/course digital market. Ayan, kopyahin nyo na lang. I-screenshot nyo na lang, but you can click on start course. And yes, may certificate siya. Gusto kong ginamit na ng Google to. Recognized certificate. Siyempre, galing Google yan. Next, go to udemy.com/topic/social dash. Kopyahin nyo na lang ulit. Free. And then here, marami nang lalabas na courses dyan. Guys, this is for free. All you have to do is click on sign up, tapos you can get started now with the free learning. You can even let's start with the complete Instagram pack. Pero may mga bababang reviews dyan, so i-check nyo na rin lang. And yeah, pwede kayo mag-click ng enroll now. Now, the next two, I haven't tried, and gusto ko siyang itry, pero hindi ko alam kung kaya pa ng oras ko. Alam niyo naman, sis. But we're always up for upskilling. Lagi tayong open sa idea of learning something new every day. So, hopefully, nasa listahan ko na siya. Hindi ko pala nasisimulan. Sana masimulan ko na after nitong video na to. Opo, I'm learning with you guys. Anyway, we have one from Allison. Ito yung link. Tapos, i-click nyo lang start course. And we have another one from My Great Learning. Ayan. Kopyahin nyo na lang. Pack. Tapos, enroll for free. Sabi dito may certificate daw eh. After taking a course, what I highly recommend is you apply it dun sa sarili ninyong social media accounts. And then gagamitin nyo yung insights galing dun sa social media accounts nyo as part of your portfolio. Sabay-sabay tayong matuto. Sabay-sabay tayong mag-upskill. Please document your journey. Tag me and use the hashtag freelancer na me this 2023. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!